Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to enable screen auto rotate on the iPhone 17, 17 Pro and the 17 Pro Max. Now, if you want to enable the auto rotate feature on your iPhone, first of all, just go to your home screen, then swipe down from the top right of the screen and open the control center. And in the control center, you will find this icon. Now just tap on it to turn it off. And after you turn off this icon, you will enable the auto rotate feature on your iPhone. Just like that. Now, if you cannot find this icon in your control center, then tap and hold on the empty space in your control center, then tap on add a control. And in the search bar, just search this. And once you do that, you will find the option of orientation lock. Now just tap on it to add it to your control center. Just like that. Now just tap on the empty space to save the changes. Just like that. And this is how you can enable auto rotate screen on the iPhone 17, 17 Pro and the 17 Pro Max. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.